Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install or download Evertale on your PC or laptop. So let's get started, and the first thing you have to do is install any Android emulator. You can install BlueStacks or LD Player, but I really advise you to install LD Player because BlueStacks doesn't support some games. So let's first of all install LD Player on your PC, open any browser and type here LD Player download. Click on download LD Player. Now we are on their official website where you can install their emulator. Just click on download LD Player, and after that launch the emulator installer. Just click on it and follow the instructions, but I have it already installed, so let's close it and open LD Player. Now the emulator is running. Now let's go to install the game. Click on apps and launch Play Store. And now let's type in the search box the name of the game. And now just click here, pay $1 and play this game. Unfortunately, yes, it's now paid. So guys, that's how you can download this game on your PC. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.